Welcome to our channel, where we share tips and tricks on how to improve your financial well-being. In today's video, we will be discussing how to create a budget and save money. Many people struggle with their finances because they don't have a clear plan for their income and expenses. By creating a budget, you can take control of your finances and start saving money for your future. Creating a budget. The first step to saving money is to create a budget. A budget is a plan that outlines your income and expenses for a specific period. To create a budget, you need to know your monthly income and expenses. Start by listing all your sources of income, including your salary, freelance income, and any other income streams. Next, list all your expenses, including rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. Once you have a list of your income and expenses, categorize them and calculate the total amount for each category. This will help you see where your money is going and identify areas where you can cut back. Use a budgeting app or spreadsheet to track your spending and ensure you stick to your budget. Saving money. Now that you have created a budget, it's time to start saving money. Start by setting a savings goal, such as saving 10% of your income each month. To achieve this goal, look for ways to cut back on your expenses. For example, you can reduce your electricity bill by turning off appliances when not in use, switch to a cheaper phone plan, or pack your lunch instead of eating out. Another way to save money is to automate your savings. Set up a direct debit to transfer a fixed amount of money from your checking account to your savings account each month. This will help you save money without even thinking about it. Sticking to your budget. Sticking to your budget can be challenging, but it's essential to achieve your financial goals. To make it easier, create a list of your priorities and focus on the things that matter most to you. For example, if travel is your passion, allocate a budget for travel and cut back on other expenses. Also, don't be too hard on yourself if you overspend in a particular category. Instead, adjust your budget and try again next month. Remember that creating a budget is a process, and it takes time to find the right balance. Thank you for watching our video on how to create a budget and save money. By following these tips, you can take control of your finances and start saving for your future. Remember, it's never too late to start budgeting and saving money. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks.